In the shortcut methods from geometric progression, finding nth term of a GP in geometric progression. If any series is in GP, we need to find out the nth term using this formula a into r power n minus 1. Okay, if you observe here, the series is like this. Which type of series we can say it's in GP? So ratio is must be same. So question is 3, 6, 12, so on. That means ratio, any second term divided by first term. Okay, 6 divided by 3. Or third term divided by previous term. 12 divided by 6. The answer is same. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So this is the ratio. If the ratio, if it is same, that is in geometric progression. If the difference is same, it is in AP. Okay, arithmetic progression. Last previous topics which discussed. If the ratio is same, then that is in GP, right? So here is that ratio R is equals to 2 now. Again, A value is the first term. In that expression, the A is equals to 3. The first term is A value. Second term divided by first one is ratio. N is the number of term we need to find out. So as per the question, find 8th term. So T8 is equals to A into R to the power n minus 1. So 8 minus 1. Okay, according to this formula, A value is 3, right? 3 into R to the power, ratio is 2. 8 minus 1 is 7. Yes, this is the answer now. 3 into 2 to the power 7. Okay, just 2 you multiplied 7 times. That means 2 into 2 into 2. 7 times you need to multiply this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, we can multiply everything. That is the 8th term in the series. So 3 into 128 it is. This is 2, right? Yeah, 2 to the 4, 16, 32, 64, 128. So 7, 8 minus 1, so 7 times. That is total is 384. Okay, so that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, exactly we did, no? Yeah, same. Because this part you can simplify. Normal calculation, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Up to this is 128. Into 3. 3 into 128 is 384. The formula is A into R power n minus 1. Power n minus 1 is only for R, remember. See one more question also. This is the problem. Find the sixth term of the series. So directly you can remember, just sixth term is, remember, just A into R power 5. Whatever the number, one less will come. Just directly you can write. Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1. No? So T6, sixth term is A into R power 5. A is the first term in this, that is 400. Into R is second number divided by first one. That is 200 by 400 always. Any term divided by previous term. That is the ratio. To the power 5. 5 it is. Simplify this. 400 into 200 by 400. Once 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole to the power 5. So that is 400 into 1 divided by 1 power 5 is 1. 2 power 5 is 32. 400 into 1, 400 divided by 32. Yes, we can calculation this. 16, 200. Again 8, 100. 2 table. Cancel. 4, 50. Again 2 table. 2 2s of 25. 25 by 2. So 12.5. 12.5 is the sixth term in the series. Okay, the formula is A into R power n minus 1. That is to finding the nth term of a geometric progression.